Hi and thanks for watching. I'm Lee from Vapor Clean Cleaning Services. Today we're going to review the smol laundry capsules. Let's see whether or not they are worth the money and do they actually work. But before we get started, if you want to learn more about how to clean better while saving time and money and the planet along the way, click subscribe below, turn on the notifications and catch some more of our videos. First of all, we have the ordering process. Online, quick and easy and nice to use. A definite bonus from me. For me, the biggest draw of the range is the environmental impact. It's very limited. Everything is very aimed towards that. The packaging, just the way the product is actually made, it is really good. We have a description on how to undo this packet because it is child safe or a child lock. So we're gonna have a look at that first and see whether or not we can get in. So first of all, open the end. So we've got a little bit of a plastic catch on here. Don't think that bit is quite so eco-friendly. Supposed to have to lock it somehow. And then we open the end. Remove 3 outer panels. So that one. Squeeze both sides and push. There we go. And then pop that bit up. And there we have it, straight in. Little leaflet inside there. Thank you for giving our revolutionary high-performance eco-friendly capsules a try. And we've got some instructions on how to get going. For a novice that doesn't do that much washing, that's quite useful. And then we have the actual capsules themselves. So here we are with a little behind the scenes sneak peek into the Vapor Clean laundry room. As you can see, we've got a big bunch of cloths that have been used out on our contract cleaning sites. They've come back in for washing and we wash these before they go out. So we really are going to put these capsules to the test. You have 2 different types of capsules. You have the non-biological and the biological. You should always use non-biological if you have sensitive skin or for young children and babies and things like that. But we're going to give both a try on these dirty cloths. I can tell you now, we've got more than a couple of loads here. So let's stick them in and see how we get on. We're going to test the biological ones first and we'll see what results we get. So it gives a great detailed instructions or guide on the inside. It does say pop the capsule at the back of the drum, add your laundry, not too much mind, and put the kettle on and enjoy the results and we'll see. There's a little indication below that says use 1 capsule for a normal wash, 3 to 5 kilo. Use 2 capsules for a really dirty wash, hard water or big drum. This drum is a 9 kilo. It does say if it's 6 kilos or over. So we're going to give it the best chance we can and pop in 2 capsules. And then in we go, making sure we've got no debris. But in we go, and there we go. Look at some of these dirty cloths. We're going to chuck these in and we're going to see what they come out like. Obviously, it's very difficult. They're all in different conditions. Some are relatively clean. Or they look relatively clean, I should say. They're definitely not clean, but they might look it. Some of them, however, look absolutely disgusting. So let's pop them in and see how we get on. It is said for the best chance to get a good wash whenever you're washing anything in a washing machine is 75 to 80% full. So you shouldn't really cram everything in. So I feel like I'm about there on that one. I don't think I've overloaded it, although I'm normally pretty good at that one. And then we'll go on. Our machine's normally set to the right sort of standard. We do wash on a 90 degree. So yes, we're doing a test here today on this, but we're going to be doing a test at home where we'll be washing on a gentler wash. The machine's set at 90, we've got a 1200 spin, and we're going to press start and see how we go on. So there we have it, our first wash is done with the biological detergent. So let's have a look and see what they look like. Got a little box here that we're just going to pop them in. So a few that are looking fairly clean, to be fair. They actually smell pretty good. Bear in mind, some of these cloths are really old. A good microfiber cloth can last up to 1,000 washes. And obviously in our industry, we certainly put them to the test. They're very good quality cloths, but that one looks a bit worse for wear. But I'm sure it was one of the worst ones that went in. But yeah, as I was saying, sorry, we certainly put them to the test. And they are washed and washed and washed until they physically stop working, because it does reduce the impact of buying new cloths all the time. So there we go. Great. So we've got what looks like to be one of the worst cloth that I could see in the wash, and what I could see is the best looking one in the wash. Quite a difference, but there's certainly a difference in age as well. Sad, I know, but I can tell this is an older cloth because it feels thinner than this one. This one is coming towards the end of its life, and it does look horrendous. I also don't know what's been cleaned with this cloth. We do so much different types of cleaning. Anything could have been cleaned with this. So now we're going to do a test with the non-biological tablets. Again, for stains, non-biological tablets are not quite as good as biological tablets. We're going to do exactly the same test, and we're going to put 2 tablets straight at the back of the machine as the guide describes, and then we're going to pop in our cloths. Again, I'll show you some of the cloths as they're going in. Some are dirtier than others. Make sure we get a couple of good, really dirty ones. Take off a bit of the debris for the machine. These really smell. These cloths have been sat here, well, used for all sorts of different cleaning on different sites, and then they've been sat here as well because we are leaving cloths to sit at the moment and not washing quite as many as we normally would. As I said with the biological ones, 75 to 80% full within the washing machine. We're going to do the same test, the same wash. So we're going to go on a 90 degree wash with a 1200 spin, and we're going to see how they get on. So the non-biological capsules are now all finished on their wash. Let's get the cloths out and see what they look like. As with the biological, they look and smell pretty good at first inspection. Some of these cloths are really quite old and very well used, so they never come up, they don't all come up looking really clean. Generally they're pretty good. So the verdict: smol laundry capsules, are they any good, and are they worth the money? Let's talk cost first of all. Having a look into the cost, The way we work it out is roughly, at best, if you're only using 1 capsule per wash, you're looking at about 19 pence per wash, which is not a lot of money and is very comparable to what you would buy in your local supermarket. So cost-wise is a definite plus, I feel, because you are getting that eco-friendly aspect as well. Wash-wise, do they do any good from a wash perspective? We're filming this section of the video a week after the first section of the video. So I've been using the capsules for a good week, both here in the office, washing cloths, and at home, washing my own clothes and the clothes of the family. But do they work? Do they get them clean? Well, see for yourselves. These are the cloths. You've seen the snippets of the video of where we're washing. They are pretty good. They're not bad at all. And they really are delivering the results. On the cloths, we're using 2 capsules. At home, I'm using 1 capsule. And do you know what? They really are delivering some fantastic results. So overall, smol laundry capsules are a definite win for me. They give you that eco-friendly aspect. They're doing their bit to save the environment. But do you know what? Like so many products on the market, they actually work. They smell great, they wash great, and it's really, really good. Even more, it's just really convenient. You set your plan up and you let it run. If you start to accumulate too many, you can jump onto the website, you can skip your next delivery, or you can actually pause, change the amount that you're having delivered. They are a definite win. So much so that I haven't bothered cancelling my plan and I'm gonna carry on. And we're gonna continue to use the smol laundry capsules at home. So thank you very much everyone for watching. I hope you found that useful, and remember, if you want to learn how to clean better while saving money, time and the planet along the way, click subscribe, turn on the notifications and watch a few more of the videos. If you found this video useful, drop us a comment below and let us know, or if you have any questions, any requests for future videos, drop us a comment, let us know. We're here to help